Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video I am trying something new. I saw pictures of chicken parm tacos on Instagram and I'm like, oh, that's different. I want to give it a try, so I went and bought everything, and this is what I'm serving you guys today on this plate. So guys, if you would like to see how I got this delicious meal, continue watching. But before you finish watching this video, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at lavishLooks_by Kiki. And yeah, let's get into this video. So the ingredients that I will be using today for our chicken parm tacos, I have my flour already in my dish, so I'm going to just add some sea salt and some pepper, and mix that. Mix that in. I have 2 eggs whipped up real good. Italian breadcrumbs here. And for my chicken, I am using chicken tenderloins. And I have already seasoned them. I cleaned them already with lemon juice and water, because you want to make sure you clean your chicken before you cook it. So I already cleaned them and I seasoned them and let them sit in the refrigerator for an hour. So the seasoning that I used was Lawrys seasoned salt, onion powder, chili powder, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. So that's what's on my chicken. So you guys, I'm pretty sure you know how to make regular chicken parm, where you gotta bread your chicken. So I'm not gonna talk through the whole thing, so just watch and let's make these chicken parm tacos. So our chicken tenders are done. I oiled my tortilla to make it soft. I have my pasta sauce, which I'm using this right here, which is my favorite. And I have mozzarella cheese. And I wanted to try this. Fresh dried parsley. We're going to fill up the tortilla with our chicken parm ingredients. And then we're going to put it in the oven on 450. I'd say about 5 to 8 minutes. Or at least until your cheese is melted to your liking. And then you take it out and you get ready to eat. Alright guys, it is finished. Do you see this? Let's get up close. Chicken parm tacos. Something different. I like to try different stuff, guys. Do you see it? Yes, yes, yes. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys try this at home, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, be blessed, be safe, and be healthy. Bye, guys. Can't cook stuff without taste testing it in front of the camera to let you guys know that it's really good. Me and my son tried to wait for it to cool off, and we both took a bite, and it was so good. My son came for seconds, and he's like, Mommy, this is good. And he tends to be a picky eater at times. But this is it.
Good. Uh-huh.
Listen, make this tonight. Super duper easy. Not that many ingredients. Half of the stuff you probably already have in your house. If you don't, go to the food store and get it. And make you these chicken parm tacos. I'm telling you, you're not going to want the regular tacos no more.